Let's talk about investing today. And what type of investor are you? Are you someone that holds to the moon? Or are you, well, let's talk about that today. So stay to the end of the video to, I don't know, figure out why. But let's get straight into it. All right, today, guys, we have to talk about the types of investing. You are either a swing trader or are you a long-term holder? And if you are a swing trader, you have to understand that emotions go into it, social media impact goes into it. Kind of fundamentals too, but we've been seeing a lot of non-fundamentals going into it, if you know what I'm saying, wink, wink. But if you are a swing trader, you have to have an exit plan. And I'm not saying just fucking exit your whole position 100%, but you have to know that if it goes up 25, 30%, I'm going to sell 10%. If it goes up 50, I'm going to sell another 20. If it goes up 75, XYZ, you have to have a plan to scale out. You dollar cost average in and you dollar cost average out. This game is about making money. Don't forget that. A lot of people hold the shit forever and then all the way up and then all the way down and then like, oh man, I should have sold. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. That's why you got to understand this game is about making money, and it doesn't matter how much your portfolio says unless you lock in the profit, unless you're paying taxes. That's the only way to make money. You got to pay the taxes on the capital gain. I'm sorry to break the news to you, but that's just what it is. But if you are a long-term holder, well, your goal is to hold over a year because you want the long-term capital gains. And truthfully, you only want to hold companies that are really innovating the future, because right now we are at a crazy time. I don't know when the stock market is going to crash, but it will be crashing sooner than later because the feds are going to be raising rates, and that just fucking is no bueno. But that doesn't mean in 5-10 years, all stocks are going to be shit. There's going to be a lot of good companies. It's just me personally, you have to go after innovation because a lot of companies are probably going to end up going bankrupt because, truthfully, the government's been funding these companies and keeping them afloat. When the government stops, I think a lot of these companies are going to go down. Just my opinion. I am just a YouTuber. You are watching on the screen. Do not take my word as bond. Please. Thank you. Awesome. Fantastic. Let's move on. But even as a long-term investor, you should have an exit strategy because ultimately you want to make sure you make money. The game is about making money. And it will always be about making money. And that's why people get in this game. I think that's probably why you got in this game. And I think that's why, probably 100% of people get in this game. But they think, oh my God, I bought Doge, just going to go up forever. And they get in this euphoria stage. And then people tend to forget that in the euphoria stage, that's usually the top of the market. They literally have a chart about it and it follows constantly. When you are in that euphoria stage, do not be fooled by emotions. Don't invest by emotions. Invest by logic. Emotions will screw you over all the time, every time, without a doubt. I've been screwed over by emotions. I'm sure everybody has been screwed over by emotions in investing at one point. Do not get emotionally attached to your investments. Think logically about this. If you are a swing trader, you have to know your exit plan before you even start. Don't just go in there and say, fuck it. If it goes up more, it goes up more. Don't say, well, I think it could go up to fucking $15 and logically it's probably can't. And that's your exit strategy. Like if it hits 15, I'm selling it all. No, you shouldn't do that. If it hits 10, 5, 15, make milestones and dollar cost average out. Long term, fucking do whatever you please. As long as it's over a year and you get those long-term capital gains and potato. But please, if you are investing, understand you need an exit strategy just as much as you need an entrance strategy. A lot of people have a good entrance strategy, but have a fucking shitty exit strategy. And that's why people get wrecked, truthfully. But yeah. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you like this type of content, please consider drop a like, comment, subscribe, do the whole thing to stay in the loop. I drop 2 videos a day, helping you mentally, physically, financially, spiritually, and emotionally. I'm here for you. Sincerely here for you. Every day, twice a day, like I just said, for free. All you got to do is subscribe. That's it. But anyways, guys, my name is Derek with Flip and Drip, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.